Einstein was never in the faculty list at Princeton, but he taught in one of the labs and have continued to inspire generation of physicists who go to study at Princeton. And now you also have an option to study at these elite institutes in the US by pursuing a master's education there. Okay, that was my lame attempt to grab your attention, but here is the important announcement. After 2 years, I will be conducting 3 of my most popular master classes for master's admissions in US again live. They will happen in coming 2 weeks. There are 3 reasons why you must attend them. First is people who have attended these in the past have gone on to secure prestigious admits at Stanford, Ivy Leagues, UC Berkeley kind of a places. Second is I have updated these with fresh case studies as well as latest job market and macroeconomic information around US. So this will be in the context of today and talks about whatever the situation is today in US. And number 3, my personal mentorship is comes at a higher cost and is limited only to few people. So, but I will be sharing a lot of information, insights and advice that I usually share only with the clients in these sessions. So this is the cheapest way for you to get access to that kind of advice from my side. So I hope you can make it to these classes. When will I be conducting them? How can you enroll, etc. All that information is in the description below. Make sure you read it, save it and stay tuned for enrolling into these classes as we go live with them. So hope this information was useful, whether you join these or not, or whether you continue to benefit from the free videos that I keep doing. I hope you make it to your biggest dream universities possible in fall 2025. Let's do this together. I will see you guys tomorrow and then again in these master classes. Take care and until next time, bye bye.